Welcome back everybody into another monthly recap. As you can see, we had a big announcement. The first month ever, and this is the fourth month of live trading. This is the first month of actual profit. That's actually crazy. And we gained 5.28%. So good, feeling so happy about it. And I could be happier, but I really want to focus on how big and important this achievement is. This is a very big part of my journey, and having this profitable month, whatever the amount is, it's so huge for me. So we can see that we started the month. I mean, if you follow the weekly recaps, you know already, we started the month on a roll. I was up like 13%, 13.06% in the first 9 days of June. And if you count that, there was one weekend, so it was like 7 days of trading. That was great. And yeah, 1, 2, and then a few days. The only thing is that I think I got too excited, overly excited about it, and I did not perform well the rest of the month. The rest of the month was a slow decline with only one more win and a lot of missing trades. And as you can see over here, apart from the first few days, then I only had one win and 4 and 9 losses. And that's not because of my setup being like this. This is because I was trading fearfully. I was much more fearful of, I didn't want to lose any trade. It's as simple as that. So without further wasting our time, and I'm going to show you a little bit of a recap of June, and I want to watch with you the what I missed, how the result should have been if I traded my setup properly overall. So as you can see, this is the day is okay, it's the 1st of June, but this is not the right order in the specific day. So for example, this day I already started with a loss, price is breaking and retesting these last highs. Quite unfortunate, we get stopped out before pushing back up, but at the break and retest of this high, I get actually a winning trade. And yeah, as you can see, setup is working. If you are following my setup reviews, you can understand what I'm doing. Break and retest, this entry was not only about the previous lows, but was the last lows, and that's absolutely great entry. It's okay to lose. The trade I should have entered, if I enter here, probably I would have been safe or whatever. It's okay. The most important thing is that then I re-entered, and that's a winning trade. So with a 3-to-1 risk to reward, that's great. So okay, this was the first buy, this was the loss. As you can see, this is already 17 pips loss, so that's not great. Still, I think I missed this entry. As you can see, before that, price is breaking and retesting the last high after bouncing wherever. I don't really care. As per market structure, as per what I'm studying, and backtesting, breaking above these last highs as well. It's not only about these highs, it's about these ones. I should have entered and take my first win. And after this win, still doing this is a little bit later, I had a breaker retest of these highs and then a continuation up. Even before that, you can see price is breaking and retesting these previous highs, break, retest. That I don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to make money. So as you can see, this is during my trading time. So 1, 2, 3 wins and 1 loss. So 1 win, 1 loss, second win, and the third win over here. I should have been already an amazing day. Now here, breaking below the last lows, the second win. Before that, I had a loss. quite a rushed one, but I mean, not really, nothing I can say. I would have probably wanted to enter over here and lose anyway, but that would have made more sense as per my setup. As you can see, this would have been great, but I missed this entry. And yeah, that was one loss and one win. It's okay, even this win should have been taken. As you can see, price is breaking below the last low, retesting them. Exactly like over here. Price is breaking below the last low, retesting them. This one is a loss, this one is a win. That's part of the game. And okay, I got this entry anyway. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I probably would have missed this entry, but probably I would have entered over there. Ideally, I could have entered over there. Now we're following in the 5th of June. As you can see, price breaking above the previous highs. As you can see, as simple as that. This is the setup. This is simply the setup. As you can see, price breaking above. This is the same. Yeah, we are in the middle of the range or whatever, but price is breaking above this strong resistance. Yes. It's retesting it. Yes. I don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to win, and that's a win. Okay. And this is on the 6th of June. That's my win. Price is breaking and retesting. I take it. I stay in. This was a very nice trade, but I missed this entry. But I took this one, and it's okay. On the 6th, yeah, also I took this sell perfectly. Break and retest of these lows. Nothing to say. I missed this entry on the following day. Price is breaking and retesting. Price is then breaking and retesting. Is retesting these last lows. I don't care about this one. Look at the retest of these last lows, and that's okay. A little bit of a more aggressive entry, I would say, because if as per my trade, I would have entered over there. Still, should have been not taken out. I'm not sure, probably yes, but this would have been an entry and then probably taken out and then continuation down. Break and retest of these last lows. Break and retest of these last lows. Again, multiple trade setups. That setup is as clean as it can be. As you can see, I don't need to know what is going to happen in order to take the trade. Another sell. This one was an actual sell. Very good. Price is breaking below these lows and then goes into profit. This one was a buy. As you can see, this is simply for the 1970. What is retesting? Nothing. It's not a previous PSA. Then I remember I took this entry again. Oh, I missed that. And yeah, now sells below this low. It's okay. It's part of the 50% of the trades. If I then if before that I took this entry, I would still be profitable. Again, sketchy per section, but still going to profits. And yeah. So this is more of a possible insight trade setup, I would say. But if we get a retest of these lows, as you can see, price is breaking below, retesting, we might have the continuation down. Same thing, it's a bit of hindsight, sorry. Now this trade, retesting these previous lows. Again, retesting these previous lows. Same, retesting these previous lows. And it's okay to lose, it's okay. Now, same, retesting these highs. Break and retest. This one I saw it live. A little bit risky, I would say. Buys, retesting these highs, and it's okay. Then I took this retest of this key level, and it took me like a few hours, and then went to break even. This is the same. Buy at this retest of these last highs. It's okay to lose. Same thing. This one I saw it live. And very clear, as you can see, price with the news, we have a perfect retest of these previous highs and then continuation up. Perfect retest of these previous highs and then continuation up. Retest of these highs, tick tim, and then continuation up. Multiple entries, again, retest of these highs, continuation up. Breakout, and also this one is the one I took. these are the trades that I have to take. Simple as that. I don't need to know what is going to happen next, but I know that they are profitable. My setup is profitable. 50% of something of winning rate, and that's okay. As you can see, this one I saw it live. 12 pips, 10 pips of drawdown, and then bam, 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 win. Same. Seeing there's retest. Not flexible because I want to enter. This is the retest of this area of this previous candle. I could enter at the live candle because I don't really need to know where it's going to close unless it's closing like this candle. But if it's already there, it's failing to break, is 10 ticks left, I can enter. That's it. Break and retest of the highs. You can see also, if you are not convinced, over here you have the retest of this one. Same thing, break and retest. You can say whatever you want, and I can tell myself whatever I want, but simply looking at this last price action as a scalping, you can see you can see that it basically went not to retest this area on the left, but it wanted to retest these previous lows. So that's where it went. Simple, very simple. And yeah, I don't need to know what's the intraday, not intraday, intertime, whatever it is. I don't need to understand about that. I need to know where the price reacted last in order to win. Yes, and that's okay. It's okay to lose, it's okay, but it's only okay to lose if I take all the trades and all the wins. So yes, this was a very good month. You can see that overall I actually had a 32% win rate. Not many trades, only 19. I would love to take more, as I just said. 32%, very good risk to reward. First 2 weeks were amazing, but then I got really, and I'm going to talk about it in the psychology recap of it, how I got affected in the last 3 weeks actually by being up so much, being up like 13% after these winnings. Was quite harsh on myself, and I was afraid to lose the profits, and being afraid to lose the profits actually meant that I actually lost the profits. And it's okay, still going on, still in evolution. Now we're going into July. Hopefully the execution will be better, but as you can see, June overall started great, amazingly, but then I really struggled to keep up with this win rate. And it's not about the win rate, but it's about the, okay, god damn it, I'm going to lose these profits, I'm going to lose these profits. This week was very bad because I took 1 day off and I missed too many trades. I missed so many profits over here. And then this last week, again, I didn't want to lose. I wanted to achieve my goal of closing a profitable month, and still I'm very happy about it, and that's a great achievement for me. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are happy for me as well, and I will see you in the next recap.